As the harvest season continues, farmers in the area are seeing a nice yield of corn and soybeans. The agriculture educator for the Ohio State Extension Office says yields are above average for corn in the area and soybeans are right around what we usually see. He cites the weather we had this summer as a big factor towards the promising crop, even though many farmers planted a little later than normal this year.
Really beautiful weather through June, early July, and I would have at that point probably predicted a record crop, but we kind of stumbled there in August. The warm weather, I think the second or third week of August, we saw a week of consistent 90-degree temps, very little rain. That really took the top end off the soybean yields and impacted the corn.
And a concern for farmers looking forward is the shortage of fertilizer and potentially not being able to prepare fields for next year's crop.